Welcome, and from me say HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So, to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to use settings as an example, and from there hold power key and the volume down. You'll get this animation, and then you have a couple of shortcuts, so swipe up to share, swipe down for a scrollable, and then also swipe to the side to kind of get rid of it from view. Now, that was the normal screenshot. You can also capture a scrollable, so if I hold it and scroll down, there we go, it will start scrolling. Now, unfortunately, the way here this works is it automatically starts scrolling, and when you tap on it, it will stop and automatically basically finish up the screenshot. You cannot stop it and scroll down however far down you want. So if you're planning to make a scrollable screenshot, I advise you to go over what you want to capture, and from there just kind of crop it down to size, and from there just simply save it. So that is one way, and it looks like there's no shortcut for screenshot. I'm also gonna check, but we do have a toggle for a screenshot if that's something that we want to use. So you simply tap on it and it does the same thing as a power key and volume down. And that is how you capture your screenshot. Now, the screenshot can be found, once you capture them, can be found in your gallery. So if you open that up, let's just tap on next, and there they are. There's all of the screenshots that I have captured. And there's the scrollable one as well. So that is how you capture screenshots, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.